do it as far as sauteing it on the grill. So we want to make sure to get some of that green off though.
It's really tight in there, yeah.
So we place the cauliflower stem side down, so we have it like that. Put it on the cutting board and cut it into about an inch thick piece. So we're not looking at really, really thick pieces here. Just make sure that they kind of stay together. That's why we want to leave some of the root on there, or the stem.
Oh, I was wondering about that. Okay.
So that way it stays together like that.
It's hard though.
Enough amount to go ahead and coat the bottom of the pan. So if it says 2 tablespoons, it's not really telling. Let's get this one on.
Goes into the oven.
Yeah, we're not worried about it sticking. We put enough oil in there. Easy cleanup once it's done. But we seared it, we get a nice flavor out of it. That way